Buckethead and his compadre. Welcome to the Silliness Factory. Cold November day. Bonk. Careful. Are you okay? Cold November day in Minneapolis, 2012. Two brothers being crazy. Charlie thinks I'm taking his picture. Charlie just got a bad haircut. Poor Charlie. Your curls will come back. In the meantime, you can wear that bucket on your head. Buckethead! And Finney is just nuts. Finney is just nuts. Say hi to the camera. Lost one. Buckethead.